So good morning guys, I would like to show you the latest possession that I have, and this is a Toyota Starlet. It's a nice mini hatchback with two doors, and that's like the best part. It's got some very special add-ons to it, like this UV cut mirrors which look really beautiful. If you can see, it's slightly purplish in color. It's got nice tires, original wheel caps, and this car is a Carrot limited edition that we have here. And look at the nice interiors. And honestly speaking, this car feels very spacious inside. Yesterday I had some tall friends accompanying me, and it was the engine supports it. It's pretty peppy, even with a 6'4" and a 5'11" guy at the back. And they were nice and healthy people. We were zipping at about 120, 130. So that's like the good part. It's a very nice, rare, unique car that I have. Look at the sheer size of it. I think you can imagine the size when you look at the car from here. That's when you can imagine the sheer size around it.